Alright, so if you've been thinking about turning your home into a smart home without going too deep into complicated setups, this bundle is actually one of the easiest ways to get started. It combines entertainment and security into one simple package, and everything is built to work smoothly with Alexa. Inside this setup, you're getting two Echo.Max speakers, a Ring battery doorbell, and a Fire TV Stick 4K. On paper, that sounds like a basic combination, but once everything is connected, it feels like a complete ecosystem. Starting with the Echo.Max, this is where the experience really begins. It's not just a voice assistant sitting on a table. The upgraded speaker design makes a noticeable difference. The sound is fuller, more balanced, and powerful enough to handle everyday listening without needing an extra speaker. Whether it's music, news updates, or even controlling your smart devices, it feels fast and responsive. Having two of these speakers opens up a lot more flexibility. You can separate them into different rooms or pair them together for a stereo-like experience. Multi-room audio is one of those features that sounds simple but becomes essential once you use it daily. Walking from one room to another while your music continues seamlessly just feels right. Now shifting to security, the Ring battery doorbell adds a layer of awareness to your home. Since it runs on battery, installation is quick and doesn't require any complicated wiring. Once it's set up, you start getting real-time alerts whenever someone approaches your door or presses the doorbell. The video feed is clear and reliable, and even at night, it maintains solid visibility. Motion detection is smart enough to reduce unnecessary alerts, which is something a lot of cheaper options struggle with. You also get two-way audio, so you can communicate with visitors directly through your phone or connected devices. Where things get even more interesting is the integration with Alexa. Notifications can come through your Echo devices instantly, and if you're using a compatible screen, you can view the live camera feed without reaching for your phone. It's quick, simple, and actually useful in everyday situations. Then there's the Fire TV Stick 4K, which handles the entertainment side of things. It's compact, but performance is solid. Streaming in 4K is smooth, and support for Dolby Vision and Dolby Atmos means you're getting high-quality visuals and sound when paired with the right TV and audio setup. The interface is easy to navigate, and all the major streaming platforms are available. The Alexa voice remote makes it even more convenient. Instead of typing or scrolling endlessly, you can just ask for what you want. Open apps, search for shows, adjust volume, or even control other smart devices without leaving your seat. What really makes this bundle stand out is how everything works together. It's not just about having individual gadgets, it's about the experience they create when connected. Alexa acts as the center of control, allowing you to manage entertainment, security, and daily routines with simple voice commands. You can create routines that automate tasks throughout your day. For example, a single command can turn on your TV, start playing music, and adjust smart lights if you have them connected. It's all about saving time and making everyday actions easier. This setup is especially useful for people who want a balance between convenience and functionality. It doesn't feel overwhelming, and it doesn't require advanced technical knowledge. Everything is designed to be user-friendly while still delivering a premium experience. At the end of the day, this bundle is about bringing together the essentials of a modern smart home. You get strong audio performance, reliable home monitoring, and a powerful streaming device, all connected through one ecosystem. If you're planning to upgrade your home setup or just getting started with smart devices, this is a practical and well-rounded option. It simplifies the process and delivers real value where it matters most. You can find more details and grab this bundle through the link in the description.